Alright guys, so I'm going to take you through the Wiki projects. So what you'll do is you will just go to your dashboard. You will then go to Lessons, just like you normally would. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see Folk and National Dance, which is the next section. You're going to click on Folk and National. Again, just starting here, you're going to read through, and that's where you'll be seeing this. So you've already done all this. Then you'll click down to Wiki Groups. And once you get to Wiki Groups, I want you all to read through each little section area, and this is mainly for the Folk and National since their deadline is coming up sooner. You're going to click on Wiki Groups, and this is where your due dates and your groups are listed. So the first one, Folk, is Adams, Bassett, Trim, Benton, Carr, and Kerfman, and that's due October 4th, and then the lead is right next to the person's name, so they need to be the person that contact the group and start making things happen. National is the same due date, is Daniel, Davis, Detter, which is the lead, and Ellis. So you'll need to get in contact with each other, and I'll tell you how to do that. So once you've read through all of this, there's all of their due dates. You're going to go back, and then you're going to read the Wiki project guidelines. This is to show you what is expected of this project. So a wiki is basically a poster board online, and so you're going to introduce 2 new dances that are assigned to your dance. So folk dance, you need to find 2 new folk dances that are not covered by the course readings, videos, or lectures. So you kind of have to do a little bit of research before you even start this project. Then for each dance, you're going to write a 200 to 300 word paragraph explaining how each dance relates to the assigned theme, and then you're going to include at least 1 photo or video of each dance, preferably a video if you can, but if not, a photo will do. And then just be sure to do a works cited page and make sure it's MLA format. The way I'm going to grade this, there's 10 points for the first dance, which includes the text and photo or video, the second dance, and then the works cited page. This will be individually graded for the Wiki team reflection. Now the group project will be graded all as one, unless there's discrepancies on who actually did all of the work. So you're going to do a Wiki team reflection, which I'll explain in a second. But defining your roles, the lead person again needs to contact all of the people, and you can do this through the email app that I'm about to show you. And then if y'all feel like you need to communicate via email or through text messages or Facebook, whatever you think is the best way to do that, you can. So just make sure you read through all of this, and the lead needs to ensure that everyone is working on the project. So just read through each little section. Next is the Wiki project rubric, so you can read over that and see how I'll be grading it. This is the breakdown, so make sure you're reading over this area. Next is the teamwork reflection. So this is a survey as to how I know everyone did their load. So you're going to download this, and then you're going to save it as your name and then teamwork reflection. And then you're going to answer the questions just in sentence format, so be sure you write your name, and then you're going to answer all of these questions. And this is due the Wednesday after your due date, and the due dates are also on this Wiki group page. So once you've read through all of that, you can then actually go to your Wiki project. So the way to do that is you're going to go to Users and Groups, and you're going to click on Groups. And then I'm going to click on My Group. Now I personally am a member of all of your groups, so I can see how y'all are working together. So I'm going to click on Concert Dance since that is my group. And then again, you can just double check to make sure you're in the right group by this list right here. This is how you're going to be able to send an email to all of your people. So leads, this is a great way to send your email. And then you can just click everybody. You're going to select it over like so. And you're going to click all of them. Subject, write a little thing, and then maybe say, okay, let's all get together on Facebook. When's a good time to communicate with everybody? And then you need to divvy up all of the work. And then you'll click submit. So once you've done that, you should get responses fairly quickly, since I'm telling everybody that you should be checking your email. Then once you're ready to go, you're gonna I would start building your Wiki projects maybe just in a Word document, so that way all you have to do is cut and paste it in. I think that would be the easiest thing. So then you're going to go to Group Wiki, And here it is. So I've already started a page, but let me show you how I did it. So say this is for Dance 1, Amelia for concert dance, and then you're going to click Create Wiki Page. So then all you're going to do is Dance 2, and then you're going to give it the name. And then you are able to insert a photo, so you can click Insert Edit Image, and then you can browse your computer and find your image and then click Choose, or you can do a URL, and then you just click Insert over here. After that, it should pop up, and it won't pop up the actual image. It'll kind of look like a light orange dot, but just return, and then you can write your content. So the information about your dance. And then if you want to, you can add a video, which is this little guy right here. So you're going to click on video, and then again you can write in or copy and paste the URL, and then again click insert. Now again, it won't pop up here, but once you click submit, it will pop up in this little area. So now that we've done that, what can also happen is other people can comment and say, hey, this has a typo in it, make sure you change this. Or you can go ahead and change it. So this is a way for me to see your communication. Again, another way to edit the wiki content is edit wiki content, and then going back in and making changes, and then clicking submit. And you can see all of the pages right here, group 1 and 2. So say you're assigned to the dance 1, you can click on dance 1, and it'll go back to dance 1. Now the way I can see if everybody has participated is this participation and grading portion. And so as a viewer, this is what you guys see, and I'll give you a grade. But on my teacher one, I can see who actually uploaded, who's been commenting, and all of that stuff. So don't think that I won't know who's doing all of the work. And then we also have the surveys that you'll be doing also. So make sure that everybody is contributing and pulling their load, and make sure that the load is fairly even. So again, all you're doing is going to groups, and then clicking on your wiki project, and then creating a new dance and a new wiki page once you click on group wiki. If you have any problems about this, just let me know and I would be happy to help you. But hopefully this tutorial has given you a little bit more information about wiki projects. Hope you all have fun, and leaders, again, you need to contact your group as soon as possible.